Experience next-level performance with a desktop built for serious gamers. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best desktop PC for gaming, delivers blazing fast graphics, high frame rates, and smooth multitasking, perfect for immersive play and competitive edge in every virtual battle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. MSI Codex Z2 Gaming Desktop. The MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop delivers solid performance with a clean, modern aesthetic tailored for dedicated gamers. Powered by the AMD Ryzen R7 8700F processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, this PC can easily handle high-performance gaming, multitasking, and creative workloads. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, offering a seamless user experience, though MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for more advanced or business-oriented users. A key strength of the Codex Z2 is its advanced cooling system. It features an ARGB fan air cooler and a total of 4 cooling fans, 3 in the front and 1 in the rear, which ensures excellent airflow during intense gaming sessions. This keeps temperatures in check and system performance consistent. For those who value aesthetics, the RGB lighting system adds a vibrant personality to the desktop. You can cycle through lighting modes easily with the built-in LED button, or take it a step further with the MSI Center software to customize the look to your liking. Whether you're aiming for a stealthy build or a colorful gaming battle station, this machine adapts to your preferences. Number 2. CyberPower Gaming Desktop with Radeon RX 6400. The CyberPower Gaming Desktop equipped with the Radeon RX 6400 offers strong entry-level gaming performance with a feature-packed design. At the heart of the system is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor, clocked at 3.6 GHz with 6 cores, paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a fast 500 GB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. This combination ensures fast load times, snappy system responsiveness, and solid multitasking capabilities for everyday gaming and productivity. The inclusion of the AMD Radeon's RX 6400 4GB graphics card allows the system to comfortably run popular esports titles in many modern games at 1080p. It's a good choice for gamers looking for affordable performance without sacrificing reliability. The desktop features a tempered side panel and custom RGB lighting, providing a striking visual appeal that can match your gaming setup. On the connectivity side, it comes well equipped with 5 USB 3x1 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, 1 LAN port, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 2.4.2, and support for 7.1 channel audio. This wide range of ports makes it easy to connect all your peripherals, accessories, and audio gear without limitations. It also includes a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you're ready to dive into gameplay right out of the box. This PC runs Windows 11 Home 64-bit, delivering a modern OS environment that's intuitive and efficient.
Number 3. STG Aubon Gaming PC. The STG Aubon Gaming PC is a versatile desktop that handles not just gaming, but also streaming, video editing, studying, and day trading with ease. It's powered by an Intel Core i7 processor capable of speeds up to 3.9 GHz and is paired with 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB solid-state drive. This configuration ensures fast boot times, responsive multitasking, and the ability to run multiple demanding applications simultaneously. For graphics, the Aubon uses an AMD Radeon RX 580 8GB GDDR5 video card, which is a solid performer for running popular titles like GTA 5, Fortnite, Warzone, Valorant, Apex Legends, and Minecraft at 60+ FPS on medium to high settings. It's an ideal pick for gamers who want broad compatibility across new and classic games. Connectivity is another highlight, with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, RJ45, USB Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.0. This ensures hassle-free peripheral connections and wireless network access. The desktop comes with Windows 10 Home 64-bit pre-installed, providing a familiar and stable platform for all kinds of users. While it may not have the flashiest case design, the tempered side panel offers a sleek view of internal components, and the overall design is neat and professional. Number 4. CyberPower Radeon RX 6400. This high-end variant of the CyberPower Radeon RX 6400 gaming desktop stands out as a powerful machine built for serious gamers and content creators. It features an Intel Core i9-14900KF processor with 24 cores running at 3.2 GHz, offering an incredible amount of processing power for both gaming and intensive multitasking. Coupled with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 6000 MHz RAM and a massive 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, this PC is built to handle everything from 4K gaming to video rendering and streaming without breaking a sweat. Connectivity is outstanding with USB-C 3.2, multiple USB-A ports, LAN, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 4.2, making sure all your devices and accessories are easily supported. It also features 7.1 channel audio for immersive sound. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you get a modern and streamlined user experience right out of the box.
Number 5. iBuyPower Y40 Pro Gaming PC. The iBuyPower Y40 Pro Gaming PC is a powerhouse, tailored for hardcore gamers and creative professionals alike. Fueled by an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, this machine boasts top-tier multitasking and gaming capabilities. It's equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card with 16 GB of VRAM, enabling breathtaking visuals, smooth frame rates, and advanced features like ray tracing. The system runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a sleek and efficient interface. Aesthetically, the Y40 Pro impresses with its tempered glass RGB gaming case and 16 color customizable lighting. It's visually striking and it adds flair to any setup. Wi-Fi connectivity is built in, 802.11 AC, and the system includes 6 USB 3.1 ports, onboard audio, and Ethernet networking.